In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you want your emails to look more professional or simply match your personal style, adjusting the font size and color is quick and easy once you know where to look. First, open a new message or reply to an existing one. You can click New Email from your Outlook window or open any message and choose Reply or Reply All. This puts you right into the email editor, where formatting controls become available. Next, go to the Format Text tab at the top of the window. You'll find it along the ribbon, which is a toolbar with multiple tabs like Message, Insert, and so on. If your Outlook window is a bit narrow, you might see fewer labels. Try maximizing the window or clicking the tab names to reveal everything. Once you're on the Format Text tab, you're in the right place to update how your text will look. Now, choose your font size or color from the toolbar. The font drop-down shows a list of typefaces. Pick something clean and widely supported, so your message looks good for everyone. The size menu lets you increase or decrease how large the text appears. Most emails are comfortable to read around 11 or 12 points, but adjust as needed for emphasis or accessibility. For color, look for the Font Color button, usually represented by an A with a colored bar. Select a color that contrasts well with the background. Subtle, dark colors are typically best for readability, while brighter colors can be used sparingly for headings or short highlights.